How you can make Mr. Cupcake FNAF movie and gacha online. It's just the same. So let's get it over. So cape 40, back hair 8. I used it for the gray. Face AC 34. Face AC 134. I used it for the brown stuff below him. Scarf 54. Eyes 33. Glasses 4. Wings 1. 21. And you're finished. Here's the color. Pause and copy it. Copy it. Copy it. Here's the outline for wings 1. Copy it. Here, oh yeah, pupils 999. Here's the color for it too. And you're finished. Oh yeah, forgot the body scale. Just copy it.